Did you know that you can operate multiple PCs on your network using a single mouse and keyboard? Yes, it's true. This is made possible by a feature in Microsoft PowerToys known as Mouse Without Borders. This feature allows you to use your mouse and keyboard seamlessly across all your PCs on the same network. The convenience of this feature is that you don't have to physically switch between different mice and keyboards for different PCs. Setting it up is straightforward. Simply download PowerToys from the Microsoft Store on all your PCs. Then open the PowerToys settings, locate the Mouse Without Borders option, and enable it. Next, generate a key by clicking on New Key. Enter this exact key and device name of this PC on your other PCs and click Connect. Now, you're all set. In the Device Layout section below, you can arrange your computers by dragging them to your preferred positions. In addition to the steps mentioned earlier, there's an option called Use Service located below the Device Layout section. If you enable this option, you'll be able to control remote machines even when they are locked. Further down in the settings, you'll find a section for keyboard shortcuts. You can choose a key, such as Ctrl or Shift. This setting ensures that the cursor will only move to the next PC when you press the chosen key. This is a handy feature that prevents the cursor from accidentally moving to another PC. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something new and useful today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Also, don't forget to share your feedback and suggestions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.